Hi, I'm Lisa Goldsworthy with Ace Carpet and Upholstery Care in Denver, Colorado. And in this segment, we're going to talk about what you should do when you have a spill on your carpet. Take immediate action. Okay, you've got the spill, take immediate action. First thing is to take a white towel, white cotton towel, and blot. Never scrub. Never, ever scrub. Blot. Look at what I've got just from that blotting right there. And just be patient and blot. Put some muscle into it. Just continue your blotting. Okay? I'm getting a lot of liquid out. Continue to blot until the area is dry. Now, you will find with any spill, especially one of that magnitude, that was quite a bit of liquid that went in there, it goes through the bottom. In this particular case, I feel that it's wet. However, we don't see the color in here, but it is wet. So you just want to blot, and already, this carpet sample's pretty dry to the touch. Again, the Scotchgard helped us, but even a carpet without the Scotchgard, if your carpet's older, it's okay. Just this blotting technique really does a lot. So that's really the most important thing you can do in a spill, is take a white towel and blot it. And be patient. You want to dry it as quick as possible. So the other thing I would highly recommend is to take a fan and just put it on the area and let it dry. Now look, it's kind of matted down a little bit from my blotting, right? So just take it, bring that carpet nap up, bring it back up. And the reason why you want to do that is because then the airflow can get in through this carpet, and that you decrease that drying time. You want to get that carpet as dry as possible, as quickly as possible. So, good job.